I can't stress enough, continue to donate. These stories are real and the impact is powerful. Our brother Hussain, who just 8 months ago started this business here. This is Metro Bookshop and Cyber Services. He's an IT graduate of the Skills Development and Learning Center, and he has online services as well as like all types of stationery for schools.
This is my business, and I'm actually happy about helping hands because I didn't imagine this could be the way it is. Step by step, we are making it, and this is now 8 months old. Yeah, actually what I learned, the skill, ICT skills. These skills I never had. I had an idea of running a business, but I believe that the best business I can do is a cyber business. I didn't have the resources. I went for this. I never expected the gift. When I got the gift, I sat down, draw a plan, then set it to action. And on a daily basis, I'm thinking on how I can make that action be bigger on a daily basis. And I'm hoping that maybe in 2 years to come, I'll have expanded this.
Yes.
To be something big.
MashaAllah, thank you. Thank you so much, Brother Hussain,
Thank you.
for inviting us to your store.
Yeah.
We're so proud of you,
Thank you.
and we're so happy to be visiting. It's really our honor. Just another success story from the Skills Development and Learning Center. Please, I can't stress enough, continue to donate. These stories are real and the impact is powerful.